Hi guys, I'm Jessie Alicia Florencia, student ID number 632504667. Today I want to talk about something we often overlook, but the impact is very real, smoking on campus. I'm not here to lecture, let alone tech smokers, but I want you all to be aware. Campus is a place for learning, discussing, and resting, not place to smoke without thinking about those around you. The fact is one, cigarette smoke isn't just dangerous for the smoker, is also dangerous for your friends who are just passing by. Two, the smell of smoke can cling to cutlass, books, and classroom. Three, many of our friends also have allergies in asthma, and they have no choice but in inhale the smoke if the campus isn't crowded. I'm sure you don't mean to bother anyone, but if you love your friends, your campus, and yourself, let's keep campus in healthy, comfortable, and inclusive space for everyone. If you are an activity smoker and want to quit, I totally support you. If you are not, yet at least children out of campus ground, dispose of but in the proper place. Don't just throw them away. Respect those who don't want to be exposed to smoke. Cool isn't when you smoke and like a dragon, but cool is when you care, even if it's just in small ways. So let's make this happen together. A campus not just smart, it's also healthy. Okay guys, after this in discussing what I vision word is, so don't skip the video yet. Okay friends, please first pay attention to my explanation about what a question word is. So, what are question word? It's really simple. There, this English question word we use to ask for specific information, not just a yes or no answer, but detail like what, who, where, when, why, or how. For example, if you ask, do you like coffee? The answer is simply yes or no. But if you ask, what do you like to drink? You can get a complete answer. I like tea and milk. Now, what is the question word? So, question word are like magical tools to make your question clear and more interesting. In this video, we'll go over AC1 plus everyday example. You are sure to hear often. Let's start with the most common one, wolf. Okay, guys, next slide. Now we're getting the most important part, the function of question word. This is like job description for each question word, so you know when to use which one. First, what to ask about things, objects, or activity. Then third one, see slide, to ask about a person or subjects. Next where to ask about a place or location. Then when to ask for the time. Well, this is a favorite of main people. And why to ask duration or why something happened, and then lastly how to ask about method, condition, or check retentions. Um, guys, have you memorized it yet? If if not, don't worry. Well protective together. On the next slide, the next slide, ready, let's move on some common everyday uh, sentence. Okay, example sentence from what? One, what's your name? Two, what do you usually eat for breakfast? What this? In example, this. Okay, and what are you doing? What time is it? What kind of music do you like? Then example sentence from work. Who is that girl? Who called you just now? Who made this cake? Who left her? Then example sentence from where? Where do you live? Where is the restaurant? Where are you, my cares? Where did you go last weekend? Okay, then example sentence from when. When is your birthday? When does to move start? When did you learn English? When will you finish your project? Example sentence of why. Why are you lunching? Why is the Wi-Fi so low? So slow? Why did you leave early? Why do you get in your use? Then example sentence from how. How are you? How do you go to school? How much is this? How old are you? How did you fix it? How was your days? Okay, next slide. Press uh, what is in auxiliary verb? This is correct in auxiliary verb or helping word. It function like an assistant, helping the main verb to form a question. Example, do, does, did is, and am, and are, and was, and where, and can, and might, and will. So, okay. Imagine want to ask where do you live? If you just say where do you live wrong, you have to use do as an assistant where do you live that uh how it works. Okay, and then example one, where do you live? Here's the pattern where asking about the location, do auxiliary verb, and you subject, and left base verb. Is you right? Just follow the order. Question actually the verb, subject, and verb. Okay, next two. Why is she crying? If you use to be, is, am, are, don't use this directly. Why is to be? And see in crying. Another example. Why are you late? Not why do you are late? Okay, next three. How did they fix? How did they fix. For the past tense, use did. The partner is how plus did plus step plus fix. The best prep, not fix at. Remember after did always use the best prep. Okay. Next for what what can I do? If you use a model verb like can put it decorate in front. What I can plus I plus do and yes eight still capitalized because the subject is a not e. Don't forget. Okay. Uh, okay. Next slide. Uh, Now let's discuss the characteristic features of question word. Uh, there are special characteristics, so you don't use them incorrect. These are like the rules of the game for creating English question. If you follow them, you're definitely become a pro. Okay. First, starting with a question word. All question using question word must start with the question word in itself, not in the middle of the end. Example where do you left correct? Do you left where incorrect? Like asking where do you left but saying it's back, it's where it. And an analogy, imagine asking a friend, what do you eat? Not how you eating, right? Well, it's not same in England. The question word always comes office. Next, not yes, no question. Okay, if you use question word, it means you're asking for specific information, not just a yes or no answer. Example, where do you live? Answer in Bandung. Detailed information. Do you live in Bandung? Answer yes, just yes or no. This isn't an question word. Important tip. If you ask using what, who, where, when, why, how, be prepared to get a long answer, not just a yes or no. Okay, next, three word order, Q and V, plus auxiliary, plus subject, plus verb. This is in majority pattern. The the order is question word, auxiliary subject and verb. Current example, why did she leave? How is your days? Then incorrect example, why did she leave? Wrong order. Did Max come first? Then C. How to remember? Imagine you're cooking. Main injured and question word. Species actually vegetable subjects for verb. If the order is wrong, it's tested for it. Okay, next, using a sorry verbs expect in expectation, acceptation, unless you use to be or a model verb, you must use auxiliary verbs such as do, this, and did. did this, and am and are in can and can and will. Then example, what do you want? What is the meeting? What can help me? Don't forget when using to be or a model verb, don't use do, this, and did. Okay, next. What and what's special? This is the most confession part, but don't worry. I give you a trick if what are what is the subject, meaning if what are they the ones doing the action, you don't need to use in a culinary prep. Then example, work out you was subject they call it, so it's immediately called no need for it. What happened? What what subject and what happened immediately happened. But if or what isn't the subject, use an auxiliary verb. What did call you? Wrong aspects for emphasis. What did call you? You're angry. Quick way. If you can replace with he and she, when is the subject? No need to use did. Okay. Next, six question mark at the end. Lastly, don't forget the question mark at the end. But there are two types. Direct question, use a question mark. For example, what is the toilet? Indirect question, don't use a question mark. For example, can you tell me where the toilet is? Why? Because this is in direct question, more like a request for information. Important tip, when you are reading an email or chat, don't forget the question mark. If you forget, it can confuse people, like you saying, I want to know, but I didn't ask. Okay, how that is not a compilation as you think, alright? Keep practicing, for example, when waxing and move, try to pay attention to what in move, try to pay attention to what the creators are doing. Okay, how that is not as completion issue thing, alright? Keep practicing, for example, when watching move, try to pay attention to what the characters are learning when asking question. Yeah, try commenting below what your dream join. Read in reply. If you want to move on to question word, refer to how old, how much, and which. Well, maybe that's friends for the explanation of what a question word is. I hope you can understand what I'm saying. Okay, thank you for listening for explanation. This explanation is my best when they understand now to the technical. Okay, I close this presentation. Dah.